One of the key differences with the Mini 3 Pro is that it doesn't have any legs protruding from any of the arms. So basically the only way it can take off is by resting on the back end of its body and these stumpy little things here. Now that means that a lot of times you're actually going to be cutting the grass when it comes into land. So love it or hate it, today I'm talking about how you can hand launch and hand catch the Mini 3 Pro. Hello, I'm Ian and I play with drones, and yes, away in the van again, this time down in the beautiful New Forest down in the south of England. But I had a couple of subscribers ask if there was a trick to hand catching or hand launching the Mini 3 Pro, because they'd seen it in a couple of videos. And of course, as I said, without the protruding legs, you actually have to find a pretty flat surface in order for the thing to land on without giving a grass cut or haircut to all the grass around you or kicking up dust. So today I thought very quick tutorial on how to launch and how to catch. So first off, hand launching, which is actually a lot easier with the Mini 3 Pro if you've got the RC remote, because with the screen combined inside the remote, there's actually less to balance on one hand. So you have to have the drone in the right hand, and what you do is literally hold it flat. Then on screen, you've got this little button here and you press it, and then you just tap and hold, let go. That's simple. And that really is all there is to it. Simply tap that takeoff icon, press and hold the button, and the moment you let go, it will gently lift off. So that was actually the more difficult of the two. Landing is even easier. What I'll do, I'll just move it away a little bit, move it up a little bit. Now you have got an automatic landing, but I actually just find it easier to hold the left stick down and let it land flat on your hand. Like I said, if it's windy, probably not a good move because it could be blowing around a little bit. But on a calm evening like tonight, very simple, you just hold your hand flat, and crucially, do not move your hand down because it will think it's still landing. So right underneath it, see it might lift up a little bit. Bring it down again, because it's got that downward vision system. See how it lifts up. But the bottom line is that when you're trying to land it, all you're going to do is left stick down with hand underneath. And wait a few seconds. And there we go. And keep your hand still until it's actually come to a stop. So there you go, look, super quick video as I said really, but sometimes circumstances dictate it is safer to hand catch, especially if you've got animals around, the dogs, they can dive in and not see the props and injure themselves, or if you've just got long grass or a load of dust and you don't want to kick all of that up as it's landing. So to me, it's useful to know how to hand catch. I'm not saying that you should every time, especially if it's windy, but it's useful to know. Anyway, there we are. Beautiful, beautiful evening here in the New Forest. I'm having a lot of fun with this amazing little bit of kit. Thumbs up always helps the cause. Either way, until next time, have fun, happy flying.